that bloody time of the day. All set up now. Mangowine Homestead. From what I've read, this place has had some significance back in the 1800s when all the early prospectors and all that came through with their wheelbarrows and all that. It's a place to sort of fill up, go a feed, get some water. Whoops. And do their thing. We'll go for a walk in a sec. I'll just make this. I just had a shower. That was pretty cool. Nice hot shower. We got Dunnies. I paid $10 a night. I'm here for 2 nights. Did I already do that? I think I did. Oh shit. Yeah, $10 here for 2 nights. I'm out the back paddock, unpowered. And I've got a good vibe about it, so that looks really thin, eh? We'll see how that goes. There's a few old bits of machinery and stuff. I don't know, that's the colour it is. Oh. Got a taste like. Oh, spicy. I think I did do 2 bits of Tabasco. Alright, let's go for a walk around. Stop recording. One of the wells at Mangowine, there's a couple of them. There's another one up near the homestead there too. I didn't bring my glasses, so I can't read the plaque. It said something about a possum in the well. Not sure. I'll have a look later. Bring my glasses back. Wind's bloody blowing again. That's what happens out here though. Okay, going. What do you reckon, Pip? Pretty interesting, eh? Hopefully the wind's not giving us a hard time. One era ends, another begins. Granny Adams outlived her husband by 39 years, dying in her bed at Mangowine in November 1934. Her son Thomas returned with his wife Florence and 11 children to live at Mangowine almost up until his death in 1963. The last of the Adams family to live in the old homestead. Wow, 11 kids. This is the first Country Women's Association rest room in Western Australia, built 70 kilometres away at Bandy. I was at Bandy Lake the other day, or yesterday, sorry. Built 70 kilometres away in Bandy, blah blah blah. 1973, it was dismantled and relocated here to save it from demolition. It continues to be an important community venue. Good stuff. 1928. I think it's bloody good how these rural towns are just trying to keep everything. So many towns we've been through over the years and there's nothing there. You'd be lucky to see a concrete pad. Very good. Once a year they have a music event out here and it certainly draws a crowd. I've seen the photos of it. Be a good place to come out. I think that's the caretakers. And this is the original old homestead. I'll get a bit closer. I just love it. Even though it doesn't run, it looks super awesome. Awesome. That's all I can say. I'm so thankful that someone's gone to the effort to preserve it. Just trying to stay out of the wind. What do you reckon these carts, Pippi? Hey? They're pretty good, aren't they? Wow. And these would have been started in the yard back in the day. Oh, this is the shower. It's pretty cool. Basic, clean. That's all you need. Pip, It's made out of, come on. Oh. Bloody. Sultanas doing their thing. Look at this. How good's that? I'm loving it. I'm here with another couple, so I'll be as quick as I can and discreet to show the main homestead. It's pretty cool. Look at all those plates. Oh, did I show you the bedroom? This is the actual homestead, so this is where Jane lived. So she would cook and feed everyone that came through. Pippa, come on. Not supposed to be in there. Come on. Come on. Got a room for the night. This was a ladies' room or something, apparently. All those books are Encyclopedia Britannica. It's pretty cool. Love how everything's preserved. It's awesome. It's bloody good. I think this was the men's area, he was saying. Or the bar, yeah, the men's bar. Pretty good. I'm very impressed. Oh, shit. Mangowine. That's a bit better. Just getting dinner ready. I've cooked this one before, chicken chutney. There's a lot of food in there because that's my next few days worth of food. So obviously I'm going to use all of that, but a bit of that, a bit of beans, a couple of mushrooms, and some rocket, onion, and there's my chicken. I've done this before, so I'll show you how I'm going. I'm just loving Mangowine campground. It's bloody awesome. What do you reckon, Pip? You gonna come up and help me do some cooking? Hey? What a good gal. Alright. That's my ingredients. I'll start prepping and I'll show you either when it's dished or a bit of it when it's done. I was supposed to go good bloody goon evening. Anyway, Andy hasn't had much today, just saying. Well, there you go. Hang on, let's put this down there. Good bloody goon evening. I put an Asian stir mix like salad and all that in there, and it has some red cabbage or something in there, so it's turned red, but it is actually a chicken chaganag, whatever it's called, and it tastes fucking sensational. And there you go. I'll show you when it's plated up. Give me 2 secs. So there you go. Look at that. How bloody good does that look? Chicken, chicken egg. With goon. And Pippi's got Scotch fillet from last night, from our last camp. How's that going for you, Pip? Hey? Good gal. She can't eat this because it's too spicy and there's chilli and stuff in there. I need to work on my fire. Get the blower out again. I'll just pump him up. I won't put any more wood on there. Bit knackered. I've had a good day. Good day. Early one for tonight, I reckon. Old mate, he's gonna take off and get something done to his car, so I said to him I'll cook breakfast because he can't eat hot spicy food. So whether he comes to the party or not, it's another thing. So if he does, I'll capture it. Hooroo! I reckon that's it for tonight. Cheers. Well, good bloody Midori morning. Well, it's actually nearly lunchtime, to be honest. It's been a bit of a slow start. Oh, sultanas this morning, oh my god. Had a bit of a mischief with my phone. It's happened before. The screen stopped working, stopped acknowledging the finger. So I couldn't do anything with it. Couldn't restart it. Couldn't remember how to restart it because I've done it before, but I had to wait until old mate came back from town. He went and did something, so waited till he got back and used his phone to Google how to do it, and she's working now, so I'm pretty happy about that. So just gonna have a drink. I'm gonna have fish finger wraps for lunch. I didn't have breakfast this morning because I was having a bit of a stress about my phone. This makes me sort of remember how important things are because everything's on that phone. Everything. All my mapping and all that. Oh, I mean, I've got GPS in the car, but all my trip that I've set out is on that. Wikicamps. Maybe I need to get Apple Play, but even that wouldn't help me either. Yeah, so anyway, just a bit of a chill day. I probably won't feel much. I'm hoping to get the drone up. I'm just waiting for the wind to drop. It's quite blowy out here. Sultanas are doing their thing. Buggers. And that's, yeah, pretty much it. Cook some lunch. I'll go for another shower. This will probably be my last shower that I'll get to use. And yeah, beautiful day though. Geez, I've got lucky with the wind, the weather. And it seems that most of the tracks are all dry as well, so that's a good thing. Yep, I'll show you lunch when it's done. And this will be me, I think. I'll just relax. Might go for a walk with Pip. Shoo those flies. Shoo those flies. You got flies near your eyes. Alright, I'll show you when lunch is done. Well, there you go. Pretty simple, just Kewpie mayo, some tomato sauce on a wrap with some rocket. Job done. I reckon that took less than 10 minutes, or about 10 minutes. I just inhaled tomato sauce. Very nice. Stop recording. Oh, that's it for another one. Just put that there. Oh, Bob said it was right to do that. Mangowine, awesome. Put it on your list. Super friendly caretaker. A bit of history. Plenty to see. And definitely worth putting on your list. My next camp was actually going to be Eaglestone Rock, but I don't know how I missed that, but apparently no dogs. So I'm going to have to keep going. I'm not going to go all the way in there and be that bloke, so disappointed. But next time, I don't even know how I missed that. Anyway, all packed up, Pip's in the car, time to hit the road. If you're still watching, cheers, see you on the next one.